Model, 59-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 Plus 2.0 SDI starts drives fine no VAT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 186873. Engine, 1968 cc 1.9 SDI, 69E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The exhaust manifold gasket is leaking, so sounds louder than what it is supposed to. Still start and drives fine. Straightforward simple repair for someone who knows what they're doing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of